Hi YouTube,
Hi,
I'm Crazy
I'm Loco.
and welcome to our show.
See, he's crazy. I'm Loco. Loco means crazy, but because Loco in Spanish is crazy and I'm the sexy one, then I guess I should take
She
Loco.
thinks
I
she's not the sexier one.
Okay, wait. Who's the sexy one? The sexiest one out of me and him.
Yeah.
Why do I need to even ask? I am.
No, I am.
Anyway, so because I am, that's why I'm Loco, and everything in Spanish is sexy. No one can deny that. Don't even get me on
She
this
does have
head.
the name is sexy, but not her. I'm sexier than her.
Yeah, look at our picture in the thingy. I'm the pretty one. I'm the sexy one. He just thinks that he is.
Anyway, as I'm the prettiest, don't
Anyway.
even my hair. But like, yeah. So, send us in your topics, what you want us to talk about or joke about, and yeah, we'll get back to you.
Alrighty. Later.
Bye.
Bye.